I'm making royal icing today. I had lots of requests for it, and it's something I do a lot of. So I'm going to show you how I make royal icing. I want to point out two things or more. Royal icing is very fickle. You cannot have anything with grease on it when you cannot handle your food processor with grease. You know, everything has to be free from grease. So make sure you wash them thoroughly and wash them again, because most of the time we're using butter and other stuff in here, but it cannot have butter, no oils or anything. It's about 5 eggs that I'm doing today, and I'm gonna put them, break them one at a time and put them in the food mixer. Eggs up this way, and it's also, I show you in one of my other videos on gum paste, I think. So I just throw the egg from shell to shell until all the white fall out, and then I drop that in another container. One hard hands, and I'm gonna put the egg in the food processor, the egg whites that is, in the food processor. And I'm gonna start the mixing. And I'm gonna mix this until it fluffs up, and I'll show you how we add the icing sugar. And I'm going to add vanilla. This is white vanilla. I also have the dark vanilla, but for this one I'm gonna use white. And I'm actually going to separate this in and do 3 colors. It's Christmas and I'm doing green and red. So, but for the main bowl, I am putting in the white icing. And I'm also going to put juice of a lime, or half of a lime, okay? So I'm now adding some icing sugar. Added lime and vanilla. And I forgot half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna put half of a teaspoon. And now I'm gonna start adding sugar, and it has to have a certain consistency. So there's different types of icing sugar, There's the icing sugar that you can pour over cookies, and they call that a flood icing. That's more watery. For the ones you put on cake, you want it to stand up stiff, so you make it a little stiffer. So for this one, I'm going to turn it on and add it a little at a time. Turn on the mixer. This is a 2-pound packet I have here. I'm sure it will take more. Again until you're gonna keep adding until it gets to the consistency that you want. So this 2-pound bag is finished. So see, added more icing sugar and it's ready. See, it's standing up in peaks, and this is what you want. It should stand up in peaks like this, because when you put it in your bag and ready to decorate a cake, it will do the same. And this is ready. So you just have to watch it until it gets to a peak stage, when it starts fluffing up. See, there you go. See that? And it's not sticky. It's kind of dry. And there's your royal icing.